Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you are fine and good. If you are new here, so please subscribe my YouTube channel or press the bell icon for more videos. Today my topic is stage 4 mesothelioma, plural mesothelioma, plural stages. So you can see the mesothelioma stage. What is the stage of mesothelioma? Stage 4 mesothelioma is the final and most rare form of this cancer. A good portion of diagnosis for mesothelioma happens in stage 4 as the ongoing symptoms of the disease become harder to ignore. Symptoms like serves and persist chest pain, trouble breathing from fluid bleed up in the chest of abdomen and coughing up a blood may occur in stage 4. Doctor often diagnose mesothelioma using imaging scan like X-ray, CT scans, PET scans, and Mary scans on the scene. Stage 4 on the sense stage 4 mesothelioma is easily spotted through the deformities present in or around the lungs, since the lining of the lungs is typically present in around the lungs. Since the lining of the lungs is typically the first to be infected, the doctors may look for an distributions first before the lungs. Look for an disturbance first before moving to examine other organs in the body. When these far long tumors what type of mesothelioma you have depend on where the cancer is located. The cancer can be found in the chest, abdomen, heart, and testicle areas, but is most often found in the lungs. Expectancy for a person with mesothelioma can vary greatly for stage 4 to stage. By the time a person is into stage 4, there are minimal treatment option and general life expectancy is low. Stage 4 is pleural mesothelioma. After receiving a mesothelioma diagnostics, you doctor should discuss So I hope you all like my video. If you all like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel or press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.